Welcome to the Artificial Professor, and in this video, I will explain how to download videos from Facebook. So let's start the process. Open your Facebook app. Simply search for your video which you want to download from the Facebook. Like I will search for random one by tapping on this video icon. So here is the video. Let's try to download this one. Simply tap on these three dots. From here, tap an option copy link. So as you see, the video link has been copied. Now close Facebook app. Open your mobile phone browser. Search here for Facebook Video Downloader. Now simply tap on this first icon. Now paste here the link of the video. After pasting the link, tap on this download. So as you see here is the same video as we copied the link from the Facebook. As you can see by the thumbnail of the video. Want to download with the normal quality? Tap on the first option and want to download with the HD quality. Then tap on the second option, like I am downloading with the HD quality. As you see now my video start downloading. So by this way, you can download videos from Facebook easily. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.